machine. Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
The first step, why?
Okay.
This machine show you we have 3 models gold, 10 grams, 2.5 grams, 1 grams, and the amount is here. After that, confirm.
So is the price changing every day?
Yeah, every day.
Based
every
on
day.
the
Yes,
current
yes,
offer.
yes, yes, every
Okay.
day. After that, you have to input your ID card number.
Oh, I need the ID card. Okay.
Please. Okay. After that, for example, is demo.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Confirm
Yeah.
your phone number.
Okay.
Because SMS for your cell phone. After that, input the number in the
Like a OTP.
rectangle. Yeah, OTP. Yeah, OTP. For example, phone number.
So you need to buy with a real identity.
Yeah. Identity. Yeah.
Okay.
Checking the customer's mobile number.
Yeah.
SMS, OTP.
Yeah. And then good.
Confirm. Waiting verification code.
Yep.
Insert your ID card here. ID card here.
Okay.
For example, this one. I don't have right now for
Yeah.
testing.
So people cannot buy with a passport.
Confirm. No passport.
Okay.
I'll explain for you. Select your finger for 2 steps identification. For example, right, scan, accept. Right now, to show you, we have 2 models for sale.
Okay. The first one.
For example, to this one. Continue. Show you pre-invoice.
Okay.
The purchasing 2.5 grams gold, the amount, the date, and the
Okay.
o'clock time.
No, it's time to
Insert,
pay.
insert
Card.
your card.
So only card, no cash.
No cash. Input pin number. Finish.
Okay.
And you can take your gift and your gold from here in the pocket.
Okay. Okay, so this is my goal.
Yeah, your gold.
Can you? So it's
Not
1
real right now.
2.5 gram.
Yes, just for demo.
Okay, I know. So I got a receipt.
And the receipt and show all of the things. For example, card number, the national number, phone number, the amounts, and
okay.
your okay.
Okay. This is the machine.
This is the real 995 gold you will get from the machine.